Welcome back to Car Riftar, the home of in-depth automotive insights where we dive deep into the metal muscle and mechanics that drive the latest machines. Today we're looking at a game-changer, a vehicle that fuses Toyota's hybrid expertise with the utility of a compact pickup. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid Pickup. Yes, you heard that right, a pickup version of the legendary RAV4, and it's here to carve a new niche in the market. Toyota's RAV4 has long been one of the most popular crossovers in the world, and the hybrid version has been a pioneer in efficiency and reliability. But for 2025, Toyota dares to rethink the formula. Enter the RAV4 Hybrid Pickup, a compact unibody pickup that's not only fuel efficient but surprisingly versatile. It aims at urban adventurers, weekend haulers, and eco-conscious buyers who still want a taste of truck life without going full Tacoma. First impressions: this isn't just a RAV4 with a bed slapped on. The front fascia borrows heavily from the RAV4 Hybrid with a bold grille, sleek LED headlamps, and that signature Toyota ruggedness. However, the entire rear half has been re-engineered. The bed is just under 5 feet long and with a composite liner, multiple tie-down points, and an available 110V power outlet. It's clearly designed for active lifestyles. Ground clearance comes in at around 8.4 inches, enough for some light trail duty, and 17 or 18-inch wheels depending on trim complete the look. The design blends urban sophistication with pickup practicality. Step inside and it's classic RAV4 with a twist. The dashboard layout is identical to the SUV version, functional, tech-rich, and straightforward. You get a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a standard 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The UX is smooth, fast, and finally up to par with what the competition offers. Soft touch materials and contrast stitching elevate the cabin's feel. The rear bench folds up to reveal additional hidden storage, a thoughtful touch for gear-heavy users. Heated and ventilated seats, a premium JBL sound system, and ambient lighting are available in higher trims. Under the hood, powering the 2025 RAV4 Hybrid Pickup, is Toyota's familiar 2.5-liter 4-cylinder Atkinson cycle engine paired with 2 electric motors, one on each axle, making it an all-wheel drive hybrid system. Combined output stands at 219 horsepower and around 163 lb-ft of torque. The result, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of about 7.5 seconds. Not sports car quick, but lively for a hybrid truck. The ECVT is tuned for smooth power delivery rather than aggression, and the regenerative braking is subtle but efficient. Toyota's focus here is on real-world efficiency and usability, and that shows. Expect around 40 mpg combined, which absolutely obliterates any gas-powered compact truck on the market right now. That's arguably the RAV4 Pickup's biggest flex, efficiency with utility. While it won't tow like a Tacoma, the RAV4 Hybrid Pickup still delivers respectable capability. Toyota rates it for up to 1,500 pounds of towing and a payload capacity around 1,000 pounds. That's enough for 2 dirt bikes, a week's worth of camping gear, or home improvement haul from the hardware store. And just like the Ford Maverick or Hyundai Santa Cruz, the RAV4 Pickup is aimed at practical versatility. Built-in cubbies, under-bed storage options, and bed extenders make it surprisingly utilitarian. On the road, the RAV4 Pickup rides like a well-mannered crossover. The unibody platform shared with the RAV4 and Camry means tight handling and good body control. Steering is light but precise, and the ride is smooth even over bumps. The hybrid system kicks in and out seamlessly, and Toyota's latest software prioritizes electric-only drive whenever possible. In traffic or city use, the RAV4 Pickup excels, quiet, composed, and frugal. The Maverick's hybrid is slightly more efficient in city use but lacks AWD. The RAV4 Pickup wins on traction, build quality, and Toyota's reputation for hybrid reliability. The Santa Cruz offers more traditional truck appeal and turbo power, but it can't match the RAV4's efficiency or hybrid system refinement. Toyota also edges out in predicted resale value and long-term maintenance costs. In short, if you want the best MPG in a pickup format, Toyota has the upper hand. After spending time with the 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid Pickup, I can confidently say nails the brief. It's not for hardcore off-roaders or heavy haulers, but it doesn't need to be. It's a smarter, greener alternative for the modern-day adventurer. Whether you're commuting during the week or escaping into the wild on the weekend, this pickup is a clever balance of brains and brawn. Toyota may have just redefined what a compact pickup can be. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Car Riftar for more deep dive reviews, and drop a comment. Would